Hi folks, this is Saul with NoBSAgent.com, and today's question from one of our viewers: so what's happening with the real estate market in Chicagoland? So to touch that, I want to give you three things. So first, I want to look at what happened in December compared to November. So median price point actually rose $1,000. We went from $199,000 to $200,000. Days on the market in average in Chicagoland stayed the same, 96 days on the market. And we have approximately 5 months inventory, and it didn't change since November. Now, another thing I want to touch on is Feds. It seemed like recently Fed came out and they noticed that national economy slowed down in the fourth quarter. And possibly that what market anticipates that they might not be raising the rates as rapidly as they were forecasting. They were thinking to raise the interest rates 4 times this year. They probably gonna step down from that because definitely U.S. market slowed down. So that's a good thing because historically, if you look back, every time Feds raised rates, typically real estate market slowed down at that time, simply because buying power of the buyer kind of reduces. And the third thing I want to give kind of a perspective what's happening in the world market overall versus real estate in U.S. So if you look at other economies, it looks like economies in the toilet. China is doing not good. Brazil and Canada and Europe, Russia, all the economies are struggling right now. At the same time, U.S. economy is struggling a little bit too. However, here Dent says, economist, he says like we're still the best house in a bad neighborhood. So in other words, world economy is doing pretty bad, but U.S. economy is doing the best. So what it means for real estate market is that if you compare real estate prices with other commodity prices like oil or any other goods, actually real estate is increasing significantly. If you look at the dollar amounts, it seems like in the real estate market is not as significantly like in a couple of years ago. But let's say if you would be a Canadian, if you bought a property here, your property value actually rose almost 40% just because Canadian dollar went down so much. So when you're comparing real estate prices only to dollars, it doesn't seem we have a lot of appreciation. However, we still are the best house in the neighborhood, and real estate is a really good investment compared to other commodity prices and stuff like that. So I hope I gave you a little bit of better perspective how everything works out right now. In the future, for the next quarter, I don't anticipate significant growth. We're probably going to be seeing like balanced market. So that's an update. I hope it helped. If you have any questions and you want to sell your property or buy, please don't hesitate to call us. We have my phone number somewhere down below, and I'm looking forward to a call to be the best caller of the day. Thank you, guys.